What is up, everybody? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today we're going to be discussing how to install software update iOS 16.5. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and go to General, and then select Software Update, and let's wait for this to load. Okay, iOS 16.5 is approximately 722.2 megabytes. This update includes enhancements, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. Now let's select Learn More at the bottom. Okay, so it says this update includes the following enhancements and bug fixes. A new Pride celebration wallpaper for the lock screen to honor the LGBTQ plus community and culture. Sports tab in Apple News gives easy access to stories, scores, standings, and more for the teams and leagues you follow. It also says My Sports Score and schedule cards in Apple News take you directly to game pages where you can find additional details about specific games. Fixes an issue where Spotlight may become unresponsive, and addresses an issue where podcasts and CarPlay may not load content. And then lastly, fixes an issue where screen time settings may reset or not sync across all devices. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this specific update. And if you need any more information, you can go ahead and click that blue Apple support link and get everything you need there. So now we're going to download this. It's going to require you to enter your passcode, and then after you download it, it's going to ask you to install. So in order to install this, you're going to have to make sure your phone is at least 50% charged. If not, you're going to have to put it on the charger, and then it's going to allow you to select install. Once you do this, it's going to verify the update and take you through a series of reboots. Now, this could take up to 20 to 30 minutes or more, but because the install is only 722 megabytes, it's not gigabytes, it should not take that long. I'd give it about 10 to 15 minutes and then try and check it to see if it's finished. Once it is complete, you will see a message that says, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.5. And yeah, guys, that is all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would highly recommend doing this update. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.